Hey everybody, today we are drawing a cute and crazy hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Finn's is crazy, mine's is cute, and yeah, let's jump into it. All right, so we're gonna start off by drawing kind of off to the side. So we're gonna go straight down. Good. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. It's called a parallel line. All as parallel as we can make it. There you go, perfect. And then right here, we're gonna connect the bottoms of our two lines by making a little swoop. Not a big swoop, just a little swoop. There you go. And guess what? We're going to do a mug, okay? So, of hot chocolate. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do another little swoop, but we're not going to connect the lines, okay? Just going to go right off to the side of the line, a little swoop like this, and it's going to stop right before we get to the other. There you go. Nice, because that's going to make it look a little bit more cartoony, okay? Now we're going to draw our candy cane coming out the top. So we're going to start right here. Go like that. And then we're going to do the same thing.
Mine is a broken candy cane. I did that on purpose.
I love it.
Be broken. I want to be reused.
Okay, and now we're going to do our stripes.
Deep, 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 deep.
So growing up, I didn't really like candy canes. I still don't. But my mom, she put candy canes on her Christmas tree, and because I didn't like the candy canes, she got Starburst flavor candy canes. And I loved those. Okay, now right here, this little loop, or this little bump right here, it's going to go like that and have it touch the candy cane.
Wait, why?
Because there you go. Because that's going to be behind.
Oh, it's going to look like 3D.
Yeah. Now we're going to start right here and then make it go like that. Nice.
That looks like a cup. Wait, I'm gonna put little legs on the cup like the portable cups.
Let's do it. Okay, now right here, we're gonna go behind the candy cane again.
From here?
Yeah. And then go like this. All the way around. Okay. And right here,
handle.
A backward C. Then another backward C on the inside.
Smaller on the inside.
Nice. Okay, now this is going to be the actual hot cocoa part, okay? Yeah. So we're going to go like this.
Okay, like this.
Yep. All the way to the end. There you go.
Makes it look 3D like the inside. It does.
And you can put marshmallows in there.
Yeah, I'm going to make more 3D ones.
Yeah.
Kind of look like ice cubes, but they're not.
Yeah, they're little marshmallows. Do you have a favorite type of hot chocolate?
I like the ultimate hot chocolate. It's really good. It's mixed with all this yummy stuff with mixed peppermint candy canes.
Okay, now we'll do a little steamy.
Can you do 3 lines if we want?
You do whatever you want.
You're gonna do one. Okay.
I just do a little S and then another S.
That's an 8. That's nice. What 8s are.
Yep. You can do another one if you want.
The volcano of hot chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna add my own little details.
Little legs. I'll do a little face too. I'll do an eye.
Na, 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 na.
Another eye. And when you do the eyes, I always do the little teeny circles on the inside off to the side, usually in a corner of the eye, because that's the little shine. A little smiley face.
Look, look, it's gonna have 2 handles, kind of like
I'll draw little feet
arms.
Too.
Look, it has arms.
And there it is. Okay, let's color it in. And there is our cute and crazy hot chocolate. Give a thumbs up.
Yeet.